Hello and welcome to TreeDuck Design video tutorials. In this video I will show you how to create a new blog post. So let's get started. So we're going to go up to posts on the left hand here, click on posts and add new. Okay, whilst that loads you're then going to have this screen which is like a simple editor. You're literally going to type in your title, it can be whatever you like, and then start typing. I'm just going to copy and paste some text in here. There we go. Now, the way Gutenberg works, it puts these all into separate boxes, and that's nothing to worry about, that's fine. Okay, so that is your first lesson in title and content. And now we are going to go to document and we're going to add some categories. I'm just going to put this under design, even though it's about coffee pods. And then if you want to add a tag too, you can just type in the tag, so we can put mocha pot. Now we're going to add an image, so you can set a featured image for the image. You can either choose one of the images from your library or you can upload a file. So you can do this in two ways. You can click here on the top left to upload files and select a file from your computer, or you can just drag and drop into the area. Okay, so I'm going to find an image and that will upload. Now the next thing you need to do is add in your alt text, because it's really important to have a title that makes sense, and also here we don't want any hyphens. So mocha pot and mocha pot recipe, that's all good. Okay, and then you're going to set the featured image. So now we have the featured image down here, and if we publish and then preview our post, here you'll see a full-size image and our text below. Okay, now if you wanted to add an image into the box, somewhere into your text, you can also do that. So you can simply click add a block and image, just type in image, it could be an image box, image here, and again you can do it in two ways. You can go to your media library or you can upload a new image. So for now we're going to upload a new image, and there we have it. So now the other things you can do are align to the left, align center, align right. You can have wide width or full width. Now full width goes across the entire page, wide width is across some of it, and the left or right centers it. Sorry, in the center centers it. Okay, so we're going to update that. Now, if you don't have any alt text on that image and you haven't put any in your media library, you can also add that here. So, mocha pot recipe. Okay, then you can also set the dimensions of your image, but you can do that before you upload it too. Okay, so we're going to update and view our new page. And there's our image in the center. So it's great. Now, the other thing you might want to do is add some links, and that's very simply, just simply highlight some text, click this link button, type in your text, or it might be to another page on your website, and select that. Now, if you want to open it in a new tab, you can also do that by clicking here. Okay, and then update, and we can go and have a look at that. And here we have my link, which will click out to my contact page, so that's great. Okay, so that is how to add a new blog post to your website.